Assalamu alaikum, grade 4 students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is your English period. Open your Oxford Modern English textbook. Today we will do some exercises on page number 10 till 13th. Open your books, page number 10. Question number 1 has been done. Now we will do question number 3. Note down the rhyming words in the poem. Do you know about the rhyming words? Yes, like set, yet. These are rhyming words. Trees, thrushes, rushes, gushes, cry, sky. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to write these rhyming words in your notebook. Set, yet. Trees, thrushes, rushes, gushes, cry, sky. Okay, do the rhyming words form a pattern? Yes, they are saying that the last 4 lines are rhyming complete. The scheme or pattern is A, B, C, D, like these. And the cuckoo sow and cry, fill all the hollow the sky. Last 4 lines. And a far of windy rushes, and a sound of water that gushes. Okay. Now question number 5. Find out the odd one out in each of the following list. Set, met, depth, yet, get, eat, threat. The word eat is odd. Freeze, ease, peace, trees, freeze, peace, breeze. Peace is the word which is odd one. Rushes, gushes, bushes, crushes, flushes, thrushes. The word bushes is the odd one. Die, sky, cry, fry, high, knee. By, knee is a odd one. Okay, now what you have to do is exercise B, working with the words. Use these words in sentences of your own. What you have to do is you have to make sentences of these words. Set. The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west. Far off. There was no such book in those far off days. Among. Leanna has been a favorite among them. Gushes. She said, when it rains, water gushes into the hole and under the foundations. Hollow. Bamboo is a sort of hollow plant. Write these sentences of your notebook. Okay, students? Now, the next question is question of telling the time. In many parts of the world, especially at airport stations, people use a 24-hour check clock. For example, when we say 8 a.m. or 8 p.m., the letters a.m. shows that it is in the morning. The letters p.m. tells that in the after midday. In the 24-hour clock, we do not stop at midday and go back to 1 o'clock, but we go on to 13, 14 and so on. We write 1300 hours for 1 p.m., 1400 hours for 2 p.m., 1500 hours for 3 p.m. You know na? Okay, there is an exercise of practice. Question number 3. Write the time using a 24-hour clock. 3 p.m. means 1500 hours. 6 a.m. means 6. You will write like this. 600 hours. 4 p.m. means 1600 hours. 7:30 p.m. means 1930 hours. 1930 hours. 5 p.m. means 1700 hours. 10 p.m. means 2200 hours. Write the time using AM and PM, anti-meridian and post-meridian. 1200 hours, it means it's PM. It's 12 p.m. B. 2230 hour means 10:30 p.m. 900 hours means 9 a.m. 1645 hours means 4:45 p.m. Okay, now there is a punctuation. What do you know about punctuation? Full stop, capital letters, quotation marks, explanation marks. Use them properly in a paragraph. Can you write out the paragraph on page 12 clearly? Separate the words and put a full stop at the end of each sentence. Okay, now what you have to do is, this is a paragraph. You have to write it like this. A long time ago, people wrote without putting any breaks between words. Semicolon. This made reading very difficult. Full stop. You can, capital Y is capital. You can see what I mean from this example. Full stop. It is better to separate the words and sentences. Okay? Like this. You have to do like this. Complete this paragraph by yourself. Now what we have to do is using yet another exercise. Read the following sentence. They still have not arrived. They have not arrived yet. Use yet and read the following sentences. The man has still not finished the work. The man has not yet finished the work. The man has not finished the work yet. You can write in both form. You can write yet here and you can write yet in the last. Faiza has still not told her parents. Faiza has not told her parents yet. Munir has not left the hospital yet. The children have still not eaten their lunch. Cut down the still and write down yet on the last. The postman has still not brought the letters. The postman has not yet brought the letters. Note the following uses of yet. Have you met the neighbors yet? He arrived, yet he did not stay long. Now underline the verbs in the following sentences. What you have to do, you have to underline the verbs. What are the verbs? Action words. Once upon a time, there was a man who lived in a village. Lived. One day, the forest, he was chopping down a tree for his fire. Chopping. He felt very hungry in the afternoon and wanted some food. Felt and wanted. Suddenly, he saw a black cloud coming towards him. Saw and coming. Heavy rain poured down and the man took shelter under the trees. Poured, took. Then he noticed the fruit in the tree and ate some. Notice and ate. When the rain stopped, he picked his axe and went home. There are 3 verbs in the sentence. Okay students, what you have to do is, you have to complete all the exercises on your book and notebook. Okay? Now there are some listening to the following. This sound, then say the sentence aloud. The taller caller did not shout or bawl at all. The rowdy crowd shouted out loud around the fountain. What a good shoot! You have won the copper pot. The faraway stars in the dark shine like sparks. Okay students, there is some project. If you have a time, you can do this project. Okay, there is a composition. Okay, you have to use these words and write a paragraph about these 3 animals. Okay students, complete your work. Have a good day. Keep remembering me in prayers. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.